Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we will look at how many applications you need to submit for MBBS admission. Where should you submit it? Should you submit applications to individual colleges? We will find the answer to all these questions in this video. To start with, we have three major category of applications for medical admission in India. Number one, application to central government, that is the counseling conducted by Medical Counseling Committee or MCC. Number two, the application to your home state, that is the state where you have domicile. Number three, application to other states if you are interested. So these are the three major category of applications you need to submit. You do not need to submit applications to individual colleges. Okay, please take note. You do not need to submit application to individual colleges. You need to submit only to the government authority for counseling. Now let's look at each and every category of applications and what kind of seats or what kind of colleges are covered by these counseling. The first counseling we want to talk about is conducted by Medical Counseling Committee, which comes under the Directorate General of Health Services, which comes under the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Now, what are the seats or what are the colleges covered under this Medical Counseling Committee? Number one, 15% All India quota seats in government medical colleges. That is 15% of seat in each and every government medical college across India is taken and given to the central government. The central government will be conducting counseling for these 15% All India quota seats for which you do not need any domicile. For example, you may be a candidate from Rajasthan and you can get a seat in Tamil Nadu. You may be a candidate from Kerala and you may get a seat in Karnataka. These 15% All India quota seats, you can apply through MCC. You can also apply to Armed Forces Medical College, that is AFMC Pune. The first stage selection is done by MCC. You can also apply to AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. All AIIMS comes under MCC. You can also apply to the two JIPMER colleges, that is JIPMER Puducherry and JIPMER Karaikal. Take note that both All India quota as well as Puducherry quota comes under the counseling by MCC. Even if you are a candidate from Puducherry, you need to register in MCC for Puducherry quota in JIPMER. You also can apply to central universities, that is Banaras Hindu University and Aligarh Muslim University through MCC. You can also apply to deemed universities. There are about 45-46 deemed universities available that participates in MCC counseling. For management quota seats, NRI quota seats, minority quota seats, all these seats you have to apply through MCC counseling. There are certain deemed universities for which they may have home state quota, but that is not coming under MCC. Those home state quota you need to apply separately in your home state. And finally, you also have the ESIC. You may know that there is ESI Corporation and there are certain seats reserved in ESIC colleges for ESIC candidates or IP quota, that is insured persons quota. ESIC quota or IP quota seats also you need to register with MCC. So what are the seats you need to apply to MCC? 15% All India quota seats, AFMC Pune, AIIMS, JIPMER, central universities, deemed universities, and finally ESIC or IP quota. In addition, Delhi state candidates should also apply for state quota seats in Delhi University, that is Lady Hardinge, UCMS, Maulana Azad, and also Vardhman Medical College in Delhi. All these, even the Delhi quota seats are filled through MCC. Now let's look at the counseling by your home state. Say for example, if you are from Tamil Nadu, then you need to submit application to the Tamil Nadu Selection Committee for participating in the state quota seats. Now, what are the seats covered under the home state? 85% state quota seats in government colleges. Okay, so 15% seats goes to All India quota. The remaining 85% state quota seats are filled through your home state authority. For these seats, other state candidates cannot apply. Only the home state. For example, if I am from Tamil Nadu, I can apply only to Tamil Nadu colleges under 85% state quota. If you are from Karnataka, you can apply only to Karnataka state quota seats. So 85% state quota seats. Then you also have government quota seats, management quota seats, and NRI seats in self-financing colleges. Okay. In your home state, you can also apply to private self-financing colleges, and it might include government quota seats, management quota seats, minority quota seats, and NRI seats. Depending on your state, you may need to submit one application or two applications. Many states require only one application for both government colleges as well as private colleges. However, certain states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, they require two applications. One application for government colleges and government quota seats in self-financing colleges, and second application may be for management quota seats, minority quota seats, NRI seats. So depending on your state, you may need to submit one application or two applications. Once again, if you are not interested in private self-financing colleges, you do not need to apply to those colleges. You can just apply to government colleges. The third type of application is the counseling done by other states. Say, for example, you are from Karnataka, but you are interested to apply to Puducherry. But as I said, you cannot apply to the government colleges. You can apply only to private self-financing colleges, that too only under management quota seats, or maybe if you are an NRI, you can apply to NRI category. So if you are interested in other state, you need to apply to individual state for management quota seats in the private colleges of those states. Say, for example, I am from Tamil Nadu. I am interested to apply to Karnataka. I want to apply to Kerala. I want to apply to Andhra Pradesh. I want to apply to Telangana. I want to apply to Puducherry. Then I need to submit 5 different applications. Karnataka, I need to register with Karnataka Examinations Authority. I need to apply to Kerala. I need to apply to Andhra Pradesh. I need to apply to Telangana. And then I need to apply to CENTAC in Puducherry. So depending on how many states you are interested, you can apply as many applications. And NRI candidates, please take note that some government colleges across India have NRI seats. For example, Puducherry Government College, colleges in Rajasthan, colleges in Gujarat, they do take NRI candidates in government colleges. So you can take a look at those. So these are the main applications. So you need to apply to MCC, you need to apply to your home state, you may apply to other states if you are interested in the management quota seats. There may be some applications that you need to apply to individual colleges, but this is only for some special category of candidates. For example, Christian minority candidates may have to apply to CMC Vellore. Christian minority candidates may have to submit a separate application to CMC Ludhiana. As a general candidate, as a normal candidate, you do not need to submit any separate application anywhere. Unless you come under some institutional quota, you do not need to submit any separate application. Okay, take note, these are the 3 major categories. If you have any doubts in this, please leave a comment. I will get back to you. Thank you very much. I hope this is useful to you. Bye-bye.